I'm Monica McCarthy, and I have a little confession to make. I've always found ordering wine to be a bit intimidating. So now we're here with Matt, our bartender and wine expert. Thanks so much, Matt.
Absolutely.
All right, so walk us through, what's the first thing that we should keep in mind, especially for people that might be intimidated about tasting wine?
First thing is just to have an open mind.
I see people all the time when they go to taste their wines, they do like a sniff and a swirl. What's up with that?
A lot of the flavors from wine actually comes from the aroma. So picking it up and kind of moving around just kind of gets that, kind of aerates and gets some of those flavors. As we're swirling it, you might be able to even smell in the air a little bit better.
Yeah. That, you know, you shouldn't hold wines here. That's why there's the stem, because then your hands warming it up. Is that true?
It's definitely true. The temperature of wine is, you know, very, very important to it. If something's too cold, you're not going to taste it. If it's too warm, it's going to taste off. Keeping your hands down here will actually keep the heat from your hands off it and keep it at